How to naturally eliminate kidney stones. Those who have suffered from kidney stones say that there is no greater or more uncomfortable pain. The truth is that kidney stones, also called, are complicated to eliminate, or at least, not very easy to remove. Beyond taking medications, it is always good to keep in mind some recipes and in-home techniques so kidney stones do not bother you anymore. Facts about kidney stones. Can form due to a range of causes and are really very painful when they want to leave, and make it quite painful to urinate. They can be related to urinary tract infections or a predisposition to form, whether it be hereditary, medical treatments, etc. Other symptoms of kidney stones are vomiting, nausea, or blood in the urine. The last one can be a very traumatic situation, but it will help us to realize that something is not right and that we should definitely consult a physician. Remember that kidney stones can reform many times if we do not take proper preventative action. Therefore, there is nothing better than these 3 tips that can be used as treatments and, at the same time, help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Drink a lot of liquid. Above all, water. Even though you may not feel like drinking liquids when suffering the pain of kidney stones, do not stop drinking them, because it is very important that you stay well hydrated. If you are lacking proper hydration while passing the stones, you will feel much worse after. It is equally important to not stop drinking water because it can cause the formation of new stones and low levels of urine, gathering solid substances in the body which do not help the situation. When the kidneys accumulate elements like oxalate, calcium, and uric acid, and they do not receive an adequate amount of water, all the factors are present to form stones, that is, crystals and solids that are flushed out in the urine and cause a lot of pain. Therefore, do not stop drinking water or juices as much as possible, even when it is winter. It is recommended that adults drink 2 liters a day. During the winter, you can replace water with tea or infusions, but not with coffee. Eat more vegetables and fruit. There are some foods that are great for preventing the appearance of kidney stones as well as strengthening your defenses and reinforcing your immune system. This helps to avoid other ailments or disagreeable symptoms that can make the pain even worse. Doctors advise the consumption of between 5 and 7 vegetables and fruits a day to be able to dissolve kidney stones, in addition to preventing them from forming and preventing calcium from accumulating in areas prone to producing the undesirable, whether it be in the kidneys, the bladder, or the urinary tract in general. One of the best foods that works to eliminate kidney stones is asparagus, fresh, pickled, or frozen. In addition, it contains a substance that dissolves or shrinks the stones so that they are more easily removed. Asparagus also works to increase the activity inside the kidneys and to increase the flow of urine, which is very good for those who have problems with fluid retention. Take a lot of vitamin C. This nutrient should be one of the most frequently occurring ones in your daily diet because it will be an excellent ally in the battle you are facing with kidney stones. Although vitamin C also can facilitate oxalate accumulation, it certainly is very good for dissolving calcium and. So, if we put the two effects in balance, without it the second is more positive than the first. Prepare and drink orange juice every day, mostly before breakfast. Do not leave out other citrus fruits like lemons, limes, grapefruit, and pineapples. With these, you can prepare very delicious juices and smoothies with diuretic properties and which are very refreshing during the summer. Also, citrus fruits are great for raising your defenses, so if to appear, you will be better able to eliminate them, and when you do, they will not be as devastating or painful.